Hey guys, what's up? Today I want to show you guys how I'm going to use a Rust-Oleum gold with my tinted black clear coat to see what color it makes. I'm going to be using my same panel that I used in another video just to do a test on to see how many different ways you can use this tinted black clear coat to make a creative looking color. So I found this can of Rust-Oleum in my house and I was like, you know what? Let's try it out. I'm gonna spray this as gold Rust-Oleum metallic spray paint, and I'm gonna throw the tinted black clear coat on top of it to see what kind of creative or cool effect is gonna create with this technique. So let's get started. All I'm gonna do is basically scuff down that panel real quick, spray it with the Rust-Oleum, and then get my tinted clear coat ready. Let's get started. And so like usual, what I'm going to be using is, like I said, the Rust-Oleum gold paint. I'm going to use my black base coat unreduced, my cup, my alcohol to clean it with, my tack rag, my 3M PPS gun, and my stick, and of course my clear coat. So I'm going to just hit the panel with the scuff pad real quick, as a scuff pad, and then I'm going to start cleaning it and getting it ready for paint. Let me just hit it with the Scotch Brite real quick. I want the paint to stick. So let's just give this a good scuff real quick. Make sure the paint sticks good to it. All right, that should be good. All right, clean this up with some alcohol real quick. Now let's hit it with our tack rag. Try to get it as clean as possible by hitting it with our tack rag. Shake up our can real quick. Test spray. All right, let's spray this down with this gold. See what it looks like when we spray the tinted clear coat afterwards. Should be interesting. The spray can cover really well. It looks like it's gonna cover basically like in one coat. I like to get underneath. A lot of people miss that area because they think if you don't see it, doesn't matter. But I like to get in there. Huh. That basically covers. Oh, that looks pretty good. All right, guys, let's start mixing. As always, my clear is 2-to-1. We'll get our black base coat. Stir this up real quick. And it's a little bit. I mean, a very little bit. That should do it. And now we mix. Hopefully I didn't put too much because that will ruin my mix. And stir it up. Usually I do add some reducer in here, but I don't have any reducer right now. It's not necessary. I just like to use the reducer because it makes it a little smoother, but I don't have any, so this will have to do for now. All right, now we are ready. Give it one more wipe with my tack rag. It's nice and dry. This paint dries pretty fast. And let's spray it down. Might need a little bit more black. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit more black to this mix. Doesn't look like it's tinting anything right there. Let's add a tad bit more black onto that. Hope I didn't do too much. A little bit more black. So you got a little bit of a more of a tinted clear coat effect on there. All right, Let's spray that one more time to see what it looks like. Yeah, that doesn't look like it really did much, so let's just add a little bit more black to that. There we go. Then I'm gonna put one more coat on it. I'm gonna give it a minute, let it dry, and put one more coat on it. All right, I think that's enough. It's hot enough that it probably dry enough already so I could hit it with another coat. I hope I have enough paint here. Ran out of the paint a little bit there for a minute. I have to mix a little bit more. Yeah, I'm gonna mix a little bit more. Alright, I'm gonna spray another coat on here. See what this looks like. Oh, that looks cooler now. There you go. And there you go. That's what that looks like. There it is. Tinted black clear coat on gold. Not bad. It looks pretty cool. So these are cool little things that I like to do just to show you guys how creative you can get with these colors. So check this out, guys. This is the gold one that I just did, and this is the original one that I sprayed the tinted clear coat on top of. It's just chrome. So this is just chrome with tinted black clear coat on top of it, and this is the Rust-Oleum gold with the tinted clear coat on top of it. And if you put them next to each other, it looks really cool. Like the effect looks cool. You got gold and chrome with tinted black clear coat. It kind of looks really cool when you put it right against each other. You got that same effect on both things, but one is gold and one is chrome. Gives it a really cool looking effect. So yeah, guys, this can be tried in so many different ways. You can test this technique with so many different colors. I always find it interesting when I find a new color to try it with and to see how it comes out. And I hope you guys like these videos. I hope you guys are getting something out of it, and I hope you guys try it out yourself and see if you like it, or if not, I'm doing these tests for you so you don't have to go through these tests, and you can see what color combinations look good and what might not look good, so that you guys don't waste your time. So if you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Bye.